I'll get much time to practice.
Yeah. Let me have a look at the telegram also. What is happening? Who is the your relevant
Okay.
uh, lab faculty? We'll see. Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
right. Okay, so people are joining slowly. Okay, right. Okay, guys, let's proceed now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I got an error while posting in FB50.
Hmm.
It's saying cost center AGML or slash F100 blocked against direct postings on 16/4/2025.
Cost center blocked. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so go to KSB1, KS02. Go to cost center, give the cost center. Did you do anything like here? Did you do
Yes, sir. In
controls?
control tab,
Huh? Did
like,
you tick?
yeah, sir, it's automatically ticket, sir. For F100,
Remove.
it automatically come.
Someone might have ticked. Yeah, you know, no. So it should not be
Okay,
ticked. For these ones, it should be ticked.
okay.
Is that clear? If there are any
Yeah,
ticks
sir.
here, remove the ticks.
I have created multiple times and delete also. For F10 also only it come defaultly it tick all ones. Whenever I try with H100, S100, only last actual revenues and planned revenues are only ticked.
Correct. It should be like that only. For
Okay,
F100, you have to remove these ticks. If there are any there, remove it, it will work.
okay,
Okay. Yeah,
yes,
someone might be disturbing your cost center.
okay.
Okay, good. So now let's proceed, guys. Uh, hmm. So what is distribution cycle, guys? Something that is every month we are doing the same process. Correct? Suppose I told you, no, four friends like that. Suppose now canteen expenses is there, yeah? Okay. Now what I do? First, I'll create a canteen expenses, canteen expenses, expenses, GL account, and make it a cost element. Yeah, make it a cost element. Yeah, good. That is FS00. Next, number two, what I do, guys, we have to post, no, post this canteen expenses. Okay, so what I
Difference.
do, post actual canteen expenses, canteen expenses to here to one cost center, no, to F100 cost center. Okay, right. I posted. That is a B50. Say rupees 1 lakh. I posted. Now what is the actual? Now I have to distribute to other cost centers. No, total canteen not belonging to F100, right? So every month what I do, to distribute every month, to distribute this, to distribute the canteen expenses to canteen expenses to other cost centers, to other cost centers we create, other cost centers we create a distribution cycle. Okay, distribution cycle. So in the cycle, what I say, I will say from cost center, correct? We have something like we call it as sender cost center. So who is the sender cost center here?
F1.
F1. Then we have receivers cost center. Receivers cost centers. Okay, what are they? I will give like
100.
H100, P100, S100. No? Yeah. On what basis I want to divide? On what basis? Percentage basis, amount basis, what basis? I'm saying percentage basis. Correct? Okay, how much I will divide now? You tell me, guys, how much, if you have to say equally, so how much I
Okay.
should give to H100?
25%.
25%. P100,
25%.
25%, correct? And then balance 25 will remain with
Yes, one.
F.
F1 only.
Correct or not? See, when I'm distributing to my friends, will I give to myself also? No, no.
Yes.
I will say, your share 25%. Now pay me. This 25% you pay me. This 25% you pay me. Balance 25 is my only. No? I don't give money to myself, right? Got it, no? Good. Is it clear? Okay, so this I will create. Now next, what is a cost element? Which cost element? Okay, which cost element? So
Canteen expenses.
first cost element I should give, na? Which cost element we are dividing? This is cost element for canteen expense we will give. Okay, cost element we give sender receiver basis. Correct? That's enough. Save. So I will create this as a cycle. Now next month also same, na? Understand? This month it is rupees 1 lakh. So 1 lakh divided like this. Correct? Next month if it is 1 lakh 20, then they will divide same. No? 40, 40, 40, yeah? Yeah. 30, 30, 30. Understand? 1 month it is 1 lakh 60, then it is 40, 40, 40. Is it clear, everybody? So cycle once I create, can I use it every period? Once I
Yes.
create the cycle, can I use it every period? Yes. If I don't have the cycle, then every month I have to say, na, cost element, sender, receiver, percentage basis. This story I have to tell every month, right? So I don't want to do that. I will create one cycle, use it every month. Is it clear?
So,
Okay, what is the T code to create the cycle? What is it?
KSB1.
KSB1. Yes, Vivek, you are asking me something? A change means you see, before next run, one new person joined your group. Then of course you have to change this cycle, na? You don't create a new one, but you change, na? You add one more here, receiver, one more receiver, you add percentage will change. Correct? Then next month onwards, then 5 people will come, na? Every month. You understand, na? Yeah. Is it clear? Okay, so let's do this. So then after doing this, then what we do? We execute the cycle. Execute the distribution cycle at the, when you will do distribution, guys, before month end or after month end?
after month end.
Before month end, again the problem is there, no? Correct. So at the, as a period end process, okay, at the month end. It's a period end process, guys. That's why it will take only month end date only. You are supposed to do it at the month end only, okay? Yeah. At the month end, that is KSV5. After you run the report, then you check the reports. Check cost center reports, whether the distribution has happened or not. Okay. That is your KSB1, yeah? So simple, so simple it is. Okay, note down, guys. Now all people joined. Why people are joining so late? Just 1 minute. Yeah.
I joined late. Did
Yes,
I
ma,
miss it?
note down this one. You note down, ma, this one. This is a distribution cycle notes I have given. I'm going to do it now in the system. Yeah. So just note down this. I will do this practically in the system. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
network issue, I joined late.
Yeah, I'm giving notes for distribution cycle, ma. Just note down the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps we have. Okay,
Yes, sir.
note down this. Just hold on, guys. I'll be back in 1 minute. You keep writing down. I'll be back. Okay. Yeah, I'm back. So noted, guys, all of you. Yeah, noted.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Okay.
Guys, please join on time, guys. Many people joining late. Please join on time. Already I will give 5 extra, na, grace time. Na? 5 minutes late only I start. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, in a real internal order also, we assign all the costs to one internal order,
Hmm.
and later on we segregate, we distributed the amount to each cost center.
Hmm. Hmm.
Like similarly, same process here. What's the difference between these?
That is settlement.
Okay, sir.
That is settlement. Na?
Yeah.
That is the orders you are discussing. This is cost centers. No?
Okay. Yes.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. That is a different order. No? Order you collect, you cannot leave it there. Temporary order is a temporary object. No? You cannot put money in there and leave it. No? Annual day. Whose it is? Nobody's. How is it possible? Cost centers are permanent structures.
Okay.
Correct? So from order, first you collect, okay, annual day this much, then you take it to cost centers. The requirement is different. This requirement, there you want to know annual day cost. That event cost you want to know. That is the requirement there. Here, every
Yes.
month I want to divide between ourselves. Correct? Na?
Thanks for
Requirement different. Na?
clarifying.
Yeah. Manual? Which one? This one, huh? You can do every month, you can do manual. Every month end, you can do this. Kada, every month end, you can sit for, 1 hour and do all these, distributions you can do. No, not one cost element. We have 100 cost elements, 100 cost centers. You can sit whole day and you can do manual reposting, no problem. But do you want to do that way or create cycle once and use every month?
Create
Yeah,
Create
cycle will take
cycle.
1 minute, no?
Yes.
1 minute. Within half an hour, all distributions done, right? Is it clear?
Done, sir.
Okay. So now we have, let's go, guys. Let's go and create the first cost element, no? FS doubles. Okay, come on, tell me. What is my ZAPL, no? Okay, then expenditure is there?
No.
Yes. Okay, so
And-
now I need to create, no? Correct.
Yes.
So I will create a copy. I will create 4,14,000. This will be what expenditure, guys? It is canteen
expenses.
canteen expenses. This is my canteen expenses. Okay, control data. Control data, what is it? INR only balances, line item 001. Create bank interest G004. Perfect, na? Save it. Then I make it a cost element, right? How to make it a cost element?
Read class. Click on pencil symbol to change.
Correct.
Edit cost element.
Hmm.
Cost element
And then make it
0.
no 0
No, 0 1. like that.
0 0 1. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. 1. Save it.
Primary cost.
Cost element has been created. Next.
Posting into
Now
cost
canteen expenses. No, I don't want to divide canteen expenses 1,004 times. Coffee powder 500 divide 4 times. I don't want to do that. No. I will post all the canteen expenses to one cost. Correct? Yeah. So what I am doing? FB 50. 50. So give like this. This is it. So I am giving like this. Rent debit, na? Debit. How much? Rupees 1 lakh. Correct? Okay. Two.
Canteen expenses, right?
Correct. I was
30.
testing you actually. Okay. You are alert. Yeah. Okay. So 4 lakh 14 to bank, na? Correct. So debit, credit. What is this? Star.
Oh.
Okay. What should I do now?
Cost center is
Cost center F100.
Cost center. Which cost center? F
100.
100. Okay. Create cost element for ZAPL. Create account. My system is not recording, guys. Account, it says account is a profit and loss account. You sent an object in the cost center. It must be exist as a cost element. So it has not created this as a cost element. Just 1 minute SM12. Let me go. Execute. See, there is a select all, delete. Yes, the first thing of the day, when the date changes, it doesn't like to do the things. /n, again I am doing FS00. Expenses, canteen, change, edit cost element. Now press enter. See, it's not created. 1, save it. Now hopefully it is created. So go to FB50 now. Give the date. Give the account number 4 lakh 14. Debit amount how much? 1 lakh. To bank account. Debit, credit, no? Put a star here, right? Star. And what should I give, guys? What?
F100.
F100.
100, right? Good. Clear, everybody?
Yes.
Perfect. Save it. So I posted. No, but all of it, does it really belong? All the canteen belongs to F100, huh?
No, sir.
No, wrong, right? We have to distribute, right? Later. Save it. Post. Now, yeah, tell me. So finally, we have full attendance, guys. Yeah. So people are joining even now also after half an hour, 7:30. Huh? Movie we go after interval, guys. Huh? What you will understand? Climax you want to see? Okay, so now, what I should say now? Cycle I have to create, no? Okay, so now if I go to KSB1 report, KSB1 report F100 canteen, what I can see now? How much I can see?
1 lakh.
1
1 lakh.
lakh.
1 lakh. Canteen, no? But all of this I know. We know this whole 1 lakh does not belong to F100,
Yeah,
correct?
F100.
Yeah. So now I need to create the cycle na KSV1.
One.
Okay, note down. Cycle. What is the cycle now? I will give one cycle. Yeah.
Canteen.
Canteen
Sir,
exp.
once go back, sir. Please.
Once go back. Yeah.
Yes, we will.
KSV1 only. Ma. There is no going back. I just opened the T code. Okay. Yeah. Now cycle. What is the cycle? Canteen expenses distribution. Okay. So I will say ZAPL. ZAPL CD I will do. Canteen expenses distribution. Okay. Start date is this. Okay. Canteen expenses distribution site. 25. Correct. We are in 25 na. True. Yeah. Press enter now. Okay. Now text is what? Canteen expenses distribution cycle. Okay. Then you click on attach segment. Click on attach segment.
Yes, sir.
Click on attach segment. What is my segment name? Na? ZAPL canteen expenses distribution. Okay. This is my ZAPL canteen expenses distribution cycle. Good. Okay. Now you see segment. Sender rule. So whatever amount is posted, na? In this month, if 1 lakh posted, 1 lakh. Next month, 1 lakh 20 posted, 1 lakh 20, right? Is that clear?
Yes.
Whatever amount is posted. Sometimes it can be rent. Now, suppose we are renting one building on hire, na, on rent. All the departments are there. Correct. So every month rent will be same or it will differ?
To be same.
Same. So then in that case, I can select rent, you can select fixed amount. So what you are distributing same amount every month. You understand?
Yes.
Correct? So in that case, your receiver rule also will be fixed amount. So 1 lakh is the rent, 25,000 each guy, na? You understand, na? What cost element you are dividing, that it will based on this only, yeah? So sender rule, fixed amount, fixed amounts. So total amount is also fixed. The dividing factor also fixed. Is it clear? For rent. But now ours is not rent, na? Is canteen expenses same every month? No, na? No. So what I should say? Whatever amount is posted. So in that month, whatever amount is posted, that amount. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Very good.
Okay. Now 100% you want to divide or only 50%? Suppose if I give here 50. Then what will happen? What it will divide, guys?
50,000.
50,000 only it will divide. That balance 50 will remain with
F1.
F1. Got it? Okay. So I will give 100%. Then actual value, plan value, which you are dividing?
Actual.
We spend money, na 1 lakh, right?
Posted amount.
Yes.
Actual. So receiver rule, is it fixed amount every month? No,
Percentage.
fixed
Percentage.
percent.
Percentages.
25%
So
will
according to your requirement, you select the options.
got it.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, note down this. Note down this. I'll give you time. Note down.
Probably by May end we may finish, sir.
Probably.
By May ending.
Yeah, we will finish the course. Yes.
Okay.
Now the pace will pick up.
Okay.
This weekend I told you, now we have classes, right?
Yes, sir. Timings.
Yeah. Timings I will tell you.
Okay.
I will tell you timings. Yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay.
Sir, for me, that receiver tracking factor, 3 columns is showing, sir. 3.
I did not go there. No, I mean here only, na segment header only. Did
Yes,
I
sir,
go
segment
to this
only.
tab? Did I go?
No,
I mean
sir,
first
am
tab.
I just open it. Segment header is showing.
No,
3
wait,
there.
wait. Let me go there. No, let me. Okay, now you go to sender receiver. Sender receiver. Sender receiver. Sampath is excited. Is going ahead of me. Huh?
No, sir, that's no. I open the same page whereas it's showing. I not gone to that tab, sir.
This tab you did not go.
No, sir.
No, you
No,
have to
sir.
click like this. This.
Okay.
If you click, this screen will open. I thought you went there. You have to click
No,
here. Okay. Cost element. Which cost element? Which cost element?
4 lakh 14.
4 lakh 14. Correct. Next. Press enter. Enter values for fields WBS. Cost center, cost order. Yeah, here. Now, cost center. Which cost center?
Sender F100.
Sender F100, right?
Yeah, 100.
Then receivers. Who are the receivers? Now tell me.
Meaning all H100.
H100, S100.
H100, P100, S100.
So what I can give? I can give H100 to S100.
S1.
Alphabetical order.
Yes, sir.
After H, P will come, P, after P, S will come, no? Yeah. So I am creating the group also, right? I am creating the group.
Sir, here is in between excluding also we can possible to do it, sir. Excluding cost center, suppose your alphabetical H2S.
Yeah, you
in
have to
between-
create the cost center group. You know, no cost center group. What is the T code, guys?
KHA.
Cost center group. KS
H1.
H1. You can create whatever group you want, no? Correct?
Okay.
Add any cost centers, right? Group you give. If they are not in order, give the group. Okay?
Okay.
Right. Noted this? So if I give here sender values, nothing is there. It will come automatically. Okay? Don't worry. 100%, and whatever you give in the first header, it will come. Then receiving tracing factor, you see 3 cost centers, alphabetical order. Portion. How much
25.
percentage you are giving? 25, 25, 20. Is it clear? Suppose I am giving here. Fixed amount. Yeah, fixed amount. You see what will come. Amount will. Got it? Yeah?
Yes.
Right. So if I give fixed percentage and receiver I am giving P100 here, then
2.
only 2 will come. So whatever you give in the previous screen, it will affect the last screen. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now you go to receiving tracing factor. Now tell me, guys, what should I give? 25, 25 and
20.
20. Balance 25 will remain with.
F100.
F100.
Is that clear? So
Yes.
this cycle what I am creating, is it for 1 month or all the months?
All the months.
All. That is. So only once I will do hard work. Every month, all, not only one cost element. I can have many cost elements now. Many. All those cost element cycles we will run. That's it. In a half an hour, job is over. Is it clear? Yeah. Now, so if you have only two, now here if you have only two, then here 33.33, 33.33, and then balance will remain. Okay, done. Now save it. What is our request now? We are in controlling, right? Control. Press it. Done. So cycle I created. Now next what I have to do? I have to do the execute the cycle now at the month end. Okay, what date it will post, guys?
30th.
30th April, no? Yeah, so go to KSV5 /n KSV5, you go there and then give the period. Which period? Period 1. Cycle, which cycle? Cycle, which cycle?
DPL.
ZAPL
Yes.
CD, no?
Mm.
CD. Start date is what? This one, no? 01.
04.
Don't 04. When I press enter, I think it will come. Oh, one more message we are getting.
Mm.
Where should I go?
KNK.
KNK, no? Okay, go to KNK now. KNK controlling area ZAPL, no? Click on the groups.
RGV.
Select this RG IV, no? RG, this one, right? RK. Correct? Select this RKIV, make it blue. RKIV, make it blue. Add this, add. Clear? Save it. That's it. Okay? Now let's go. Let's try to do the cycle once again. KSV5, na? Okay, my period 1. My cycle name is this. Press enter, it will come. I'm doing test run. I'm doing test. Execute. So one sender. How many receivers?
3.
Who is the sender here?
F100.
Sender details. From F100, how much is going?
75,000.
Correct, na? Okay, now go back. Who is the receiver here?
H100, P100, S100.
Receiver details. Is that clear? So is it working fine?
Yes.
Yeah, so always do the test run. Always do the test run. Okay? Yeah. So now what I should do?
Remove test run and background process.
Remove the test run and
Background process.
remove the test run and execute. Okay, so now already completed. Okay, so now let me go and check the reports now. KSB1. Check the report for all F100 to S100, all cost centers, right? For canteen, you see now what will happen. So what date it has done? 30, 30, 30. minus, 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 plus, plus, plus. Minused from here, added here, no? Subtracted here, added here. Clear? What date? Month. Clear? Actually, should we do like this on 17th April, guys? Wrong,
No.
guys. We do like this in real time?
No.
They always do it. It's a month end process. Some things we do month end only. Correct? Yeah. Right. So shall we proceed, guys? Yeah. Right. Okay. So this is also now next month. Again, next month, this month it is 1 lakh rupees expenditure. Next month it may be 120. We don't know. Rather, maybe 2 lakh 40. We don't know. Whatever is the expenditure, it will divide, no? Right. So every month I can just use the cycle. Clear? Good. Now next one. Next one. So this is about the distribution. Everybody clear on the distribution cycle? Yeah.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Good. Now next one we have something called, there is something called statistical key figure. Statistical key figure. We call it as SKF in short. SKF. Statistical key figure. Okay. Now what is this? See, suppose now you are saying, na? Now you are saying canteen expenses are there, na? You are dividing, how you are dividing canteen expenses? You are dividing equally, correct? Yeah. Now there is a complaint from HR department. They are saying we have only 19 employees. Huh? Only 19 employees are there. Production 700 people are there. Why we should share equally? Correct, na? Their question is correct, right? We
Yes,
have
sir.
only 19 production people, 700 people are there. Why we should share equally? Okay, then how do you solve the problem?
Based on employee wise.
Okay, so based on, okay, you want to solve based on number of employees. Okay. So how you will divide, like you collect the data now. F100, how many employees are there? F100, there are about 93 employees. Okay. H100, they are correct. There are only 19 people are there. P100 also they are correct. There are 795 people are there. S100 there are 562 people are there. Now you tell me how you will divide this rupees 1 lakh into how?
Based on the head count.
Head count. Total head count is how much now?
One thousand four hundred.
1,469.
1,469. Okay, so how you will divide for F100, you tell me?
1 lakh divided by
1 lakh
149
into
93.
93 by
1 lakh
1469.
1469.
For S100, what you do?
1 lakh into
Hmm.
19 divided by 1 4. Yes. By 62.
5?
62.
Correct? Everybody clear on this? What we are discussing now? Now HR people, they were complaining that we have number of employees less. Why we should bear so much equally, right? Yeah. So we started dividing on the number of employees on the headcount basis. But now we have a problem. Now we have one more complaint. What is the complaint? Now these sales people are saying, yes, we have 562 employees, but out of this, 476 people, they are on-field staff.
Out of office.
They never come to office. Forget about canteen. Huh?
You only go to very office.
Yeah, then why we should bear so much? Previously equal means we said, okay, now you are saying 562 people pay means what? How can I bear? No. Correct? Then how do you solve the problem?
No, only active employees will take.
Uh-huh.
Only
Only?
off-field employees.
On field. Okay. On field. Yeah. So like this problems will. So here we need to count the number of employees who are actually using the canteen, right? Yeah. So depending upon number of employees, we will divide. No? So actual usage you should try to find out. Correct? Number of employees using canteen. You need to find out that data. Based on that data, we will divide the cost. So that data we call it as a, so what we need to do now, every month, what we have to do now? Every month what we have to do? We have to collect the data. Collect actual usage data. Correct? That is what we call it as a SKF.
Yes.
Statistical key figure. And based on that data only, we will divide the cost. Okay. Okay. One more example I will give. Now every company, they provide cab services, no?
Yes.
Correct? Employees pick up, drop.
Sir.
Pick up, drop, no? Weird timing, night 2 o'clock drop. Understand? Yeah. Now this cab services, we have a big bill, right? End of the month, we pay the vendor, right? Okay.
Yes.
Then how you will divide the cab services?
See,
Oh, no, in the cab or in the bus, all department employees will come, na, same route, right?
Yes, sir.
Then how you will divide, guys?
Based on the passengers.
some standard.
We don't have separate bus for each department, huh?
For
Correct.
cab, they are taking fixed amounts, sir, per seat.
No. End of the month, there is a bill. Cab services vendor will charge, na? Yeah. Okay. So you are paying that bill. So how you will divide that cab expenditure to the departments? How?
Again, headcount only, sir.
Based on the employees.
We have to collect the number of, not number of headcount, na? See, number of employees may be, so one person, he may not use cab services, he will walk to office, na?
Yes.
Some person will use his own transport, right?
You have to track the data who actually used it.
Exactly. No, this data will be the same every month or it will change every month?
Because
Change.
Yeah, some person will join, some person will leave, some person will, you buy a car, he will come by car. You understand? Changes will happen every month?
that's
Yes.
rotation will be there.
So what is the thing here? Every month what we have to do? Every month what we have to do? We have to collect the data. We have
Actual
to,
usage.
we have to collect the number of employees, using cab service.
Cab.
Correct? That. So when you have the data, based on the data, it will be divided. So every month, cab services expenditure will be different. That number of employees also will be different. Then everybody is happy, no? Okay, we are not overburdened. So our employees, whichever department, the reporting manager will sign that, whenever they have to give, one form will be there. Then that form he has to fill, that will be intimated to the reporting manager, cost center manager, and then that will be accepted, and then only will travel.
Yes, sir. While registering only, it will ask cost center and business code, sir.
Exactly. Correct. So based on number of employees of which department are using, no? So based on that, expenditure will be allocated. Is it clear? Distributed later on. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is what you call it as a SKF, statistical key figure. Number of employees using cab services, number of employees using canteen. This is every month the data we have to collect. Okay. Now suppose if it is like rent is there, no? There are many places where we use this, guys. See, suppose in our company we don't have a what conference hall is not there. Our company doesn't have a conference hall to conduct meetings. So what we have done, we booked one conference hall. Okay, one monthly, no? We are paying the rent for it. So monthly rent we are paying for the conference hall. All the department people are using the conference hall. Okay, so monthly rent is say rupees. Monthly rent is say rupees 5 lakhs. Now you tell me, guys, how you will divide. So the rent of conference hall is 5 lakhs. How you will divide this into various departments? On what basis?
Which department using that conference hall?
No, all departments are using. So how you will divide?
We will divide equally.
Equally? Then also again complaints will come. They will say sales people are using 29 days. Every day they are there only.
Then as per days.
Again, what is the, again, if you cannot divide equally, right? Yeah, then we have to collect what? We have to collect the data. What data? What do you call it?
Hours used.
No, SKF data. Statistical key figure data, that is number of days or number of hours used by each department. Then that rent I will divide based on the number of days or hours. Correct? Clear? So you understand what is SKF, guys? So it can be number of days, number of employees, number of hours. Right? Okay. Same way, now you, for example, now quality check is there. Quality check expenses, right? Quality check expenses. Now you have product 1 is there. Product 1, product 2. No, product 1 is, say you are manufacturing laptops. Okay. You are manufacturing laptops. Product 2 is you are manufacturing, product 2 is you are manufacturing, say, printers. Okay. Okay, now you tell me how you will divide this quality check. Now quality check is happening for all of them, no? Yeah, so there is a quality check department is there. So their salaries and all, we are paying, say, rupees 1 lakh. Suppose. Now this monthly expenditure quality check is 1 lakh, or it can be more also. So these people are working on the quality check of our finished goods. When we are manufacturing laptops, printers, we want to check now once. Right? Okay. Now, this quality check expenditure will come in the cost of these goods.
Yes.
It will come. So then how you will divide between laptops and printers? Number of units manufactured. Correct or not? Agree? That we will test, no? Clear? Yeah. So suppose your laptop is, number of laptops manufactured is 600. Printers manufactured is 400 units. Then how much will come to laptops?
60,000.
60,000 to laptop, 40,000 to
Printer.
print. So here it is number of units month. Here it is number of days, number of hours, number of kilometers, number of people, like the number of employees. Wherever this number is coming, what do you call that?
SK.
Yes. SKF is very useful concept, guys. Very, it has made our life easier. So what is SKF? SKF is a SKF statistical key figure. SKF is a variable basis. SKF is a variable basis for the reallocation of costs. Every month it will change. So amount posted also will change. Same way, the base also will change. It's not like fixed 25% every month. Got it? Yeah. So SKF is a variable basis for the reallocation of the cost. So it will come here, guys. Somewhere here it will come. So if you go KSV1 here, when I go here, you're already locking the cycle. So maybe it is already there. Yeah, it is there. Now, okay, here when I go here you see receiver rule. Now I can select what? Now here I can select sender rule is here. Now here variable portions. In variable portions, I am selecting actual statistical key figures. Understand? My rule will change now. Okay, we'll see this. Tomorrow we'll see. You understood always SKF, guys? Every month SKF we have to collect. Every month amount posted will change. Same way every month. Where basis also will change. Okay? Yeah. Sorry? First you maintain, then it will divide. First you should tell in this month how many people. In this month how many days, how many hours, how many units. You have to give the data. Based on that it will divide. Is that clear? Yeah. We'll see that tomorrow. We'll see.
Not bad.
Okay, 1 minute.
Notepad.
Yeah, note.
So statistical.
Definition,
Yes, sir.
Point.
Up, sir.
For above 50.1, just to. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right, guys? Okay, then we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Ma. Thank you. Thank you.